You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than -13/2 smaller than -61/2. Let's solve it step by step. Group all p terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 5 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the p. Divide both sides by 2. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than -13/2 smaller than -61/2.